Yo, what you know? Jason Canarum here. Appreciate you stopping by. But I was editing this video, I was getting close to lunch, and I was missing an intro and the part about putting the bacon in.
And also browning the beef.
What you need to do is cook you some bacon. Might as well cook the whole thing because you know you're going to eat the rest of it anyway.
After you get your bacon started, you need to start boiling your lasagna noodles. When your noodles are all nice and tender, lay them out and let them dry. We're going to start off by adding some minced onion and some Worcestershire sauce, some paprika, and then your diced tomatoes, your barbecue sauce. You're going to mix all that stuff together. Let it simmer. This is a good time to dice your onions and then mix them in slowly. You're going to want to crack and beat an egg, throw in your cream cheese, and don't forget, stir your stuff. Now it's time to add the sour cream and the ricotta cheese, your Italian cheese, and then the sharp cheddar. Yo, mix your sauce, because it's time to throw in the garlic powder and the onion powder, your salt and your pepper. Stir it all in. As you're stirring stuff, it's time to mix up all them there cheeses. Crumble up your bacon. Might as well grab another handful. The more bacon, the better. It's that time. It's time to preheat your oven to 375. And we're going to start layering this stuff. You want to make your first layer a little thin because gravity works in mysterious ways. That's it. Just keep making layers till your cheese and your meat sauce is gone. Now the meat sauce is gone. It's time to add the last couple layers of cheese. We're going to start with the Italian. You're going to want to put on a nice layer from corner to corner. Then we're going to finish with the sharp cheddar. Time to break out the aluminum foil and cover this bad boy. In order for this to cook correctly, you're going to have to summons your inner OCD and make sure the aluminum foil is on there just perfect. Absolutely perfect. After you've accomplished the mission with the aluminum foil and your oven's preheated to 375, insert your lasagna for 25 minutes. When you hear the buzzer, go ahead and take off the aluminum foil Throw it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. After you remove it from the oven, you're going to have to let it set for another 10. Might as well cook you some croissants. After you've let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes, it's ready to serve up. It's going to be nice, hot, and extremely cheesy. Now, would you just look at that? Look at that. And remember, smile while you still have teeth.